Welcome back to Local 5 Live, everybody. Not happy with your garage door? We'll make it a New Year's goal to do something about it.
Jeffrey is back with us from Bestland Garage Door Service. Nice to see you.
Hi, Jeffrey.
Here. Well, what are some signs that our garage door might be struggling a little bit?
This time of year, it's going to make a lot of noise, and you might not hear it because you're just in a hurry because it's cold outside. So slow operation. Some motors are designed to move slower than others, so there's not a lot of telltale signs this time of year until it just stops working. And when it stops working, definitely give a professional a call. Don't touch it, and try to be patient because we're all busy this time of year.
Well, I was going to say that. I know you guys have hired some people. You're working like around the clock, but talk a little bit about what it takes to get service from you guys. Just a quick phone call, or are you scheduling out?
The easiest way is a phone call.
Okay.
We do have people to answer the phone all the time, and they will get you on the schedule as quickly as possible. And we just ask for a little bit of patience. We should be able to get to you day of. Sometimes it's the next day.
Sure.
It's just that time of year, and nobody wants to be trapped in or out of their garage. It's got to work. So.
Talk to us a bit about your company overall. People love having that local resource that they can call, and you take a lot of pride in that.
Absolutely. We offer one of the best warranties of any local company in the area. So that's our biggest thing. We deliver great service, top-of-the-line products, and one of the best warranties. We just take a lot of pride in our customer service and making sure our customers are happy and have reliable working garage doors.
Talk a little bit, too, about if we're interested in a new garage door, that process. You guys also provide that service, and it can really make a big difference in your home.
Absolutely. If you're looking to change the look of your home, especially if you're in the market for new siding and roofing, a new garage door will gigantically change the look of your home. There is still a little bit of a wait, although it's not as bad as it was. During COVID, sometimes it was a year. Now we're in probably 2 months is about the time for a new door. So once you definitely don't want to wait until you're pushed into a decision.
Yeah.
There's many options and many different sizes, colors, window options, no windows, insulated, non-insulated.
Wow.
The sky's the limit, so we can come out and go over all those options with you.
Talk about your service area.
Service area is Little Swamico, Pulaski at the north, Oshkosh at the south. Appleton, Neenah, Menasha, Little Chute, Kaukauna, everywhere in between.
We're a family-owned company, and that's important for you to let people know about, too, right?
Absolutely. We've been in business since 2021. We are a local company, and we live, eat, breathe, and die garage doors some days.
And Jeffrey sent me a graphic this morning. Let's put that up there because you have one final message to our viewers.
Happy holidays to the entire area, from our family to yours.
Oh, and he came in on New Year's Day with this message. I love it.
We're happy to see you, and you can see him and his team, too, by reaching out to Bestland Garage Door Service, 920-789-3667.
Or you can book an appointment online, but, the phone call is the best thing if you're in an emergency situation. Their website, BestlandGarageDoor.com. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you.